I tried 6 different budgeting apps and kept going back to paper every time. A bullet journal budget takes more effort to set up, and in my experience, it is 10 times more effective. Here is exactly how I set mine up. Writing numbers by hand creates stronger mental engagement than tapping. No notifications, no ads, no subscription fees, no glitches. Completely customizable to your exact life and income situation. Monthly income and expense tracker, the foundation of the whole system. Bill payment log with a checkbox for each bill every month. Savings goal tracker with a fill-in progress bar you color in as you save. Weekly spending by category with running totals. New page for each month. Fresh start every time. Income at the top, fixed bills listed below, variable categories after. Leave a column for actual spending versus what you budgeted. One row per day showing what you spent and where it went. Quick category totals at the end of each week. Circle any category that went over your target for that week. Savings thermometer. Color it in as your balance grows toward your goal. Debt payoff bar. Shade it in as the balance drops toward zero. Seeing the visual progress makes you want to keep going. If the setup time feels like a barrier, the free budget printables in the description are pre-designed versions of every spread I just described. Download them from the link below and skip straight to using them. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.